Okay guys, so that's about as much sanding as I want to do. The bottom is now flat, reasonably flat. It's a small depression in the middle, but I don't think that really matters. And the inside is about as clean as I want to get it. It's you have to leave some material to retain the heat. If I went down and removed all this, I wouldn't have anything left. So we'll just deal with that as it is. I think when everything's sealed up, it's probably not going to have an impact on it other than aesthetically. And so the next step is to do a final cleaning, soap and water, and maybe a bit of vinegar in there as well. And then after that step, we are going to do the seasoning. I'll do 3 coats of oil, vegetable oil. In the barbecue, I think is probably the best thing because it does tend to be a bit smoky. So we'll do that in the barbecue at a high temperature, 3 separate coats, and then we'll take a look at what the final product looks like and how it performs. So we're going to do a test here. First thing is you got to make sure you put enough fat so that you don't have anything sticking. That should do. The egg test. I've made sure that both of these eggs are from the exact same chicken laid at the exact same time. So here we have the finished product. This was a heck of a lot of work to get to this point. But you know what? We started with it. It was really rough shape. It was basically garbage. And we brought it back to usable state. I would have liked to have done a giveaway for this cast iron pan, but I don't feel comfortable doing that because at the very end, I discovered a tiny little fracture line. So what I'd like to do, if anybody's interested in this pan, contact me via email through YouTube, and we can arrange maybe just some sort of giveaway that way. Otherwise, it is going to be wall art and maybe the occasional use, but it does look really good and has some history to it as well. So, if you like the video, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and please let me know how I did. Was this a pass or was this a fail? And tell me why. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.